everyone. So I just got this box in the mail from YouTube. I was told I'd be receiving one of these boxes about a week ago, and I've been waiting for it patiently ever since.
I've been patiently waiting.
So I received this box because of my involvement with the YouTube shopping program. In case you didn't know, you can now shop directly through YouTube using the links that appear in the videos, and it'll take you directly to the product pages. As a creator, this helps me so much. It helps us earn commissions on products that we tag in our videos. Commissions can reach anywhere from, I've seen, 4% all the way to 30% for certain items. So it's really cool that we're able to earn at least a little bit of extra income on videos and products that we're tagging in our videos.
That is so fetch.
I think it's really cool that YouTube is doing this, and I'm super proud to be a part of the creator community. And let's see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing is this Lumiere little bag. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow. So it looks like I got some shades. Let's see what these are about. I wonder if they're like, girl, you need to stop making your own glasses. They probably saw this monstrosity and thought, she needs glasses. Alright, Lumiere. Let's see what... Oh, okay, so it's one of those. I've seen these online. I've seen people use them. These are so cute. These are so cute. I actually need glasses. But these don't have any magnifying or magnification, whatever. And these are add-ons. This is so cool. I believe they're magnetic. Let's see. Look at that. Isn't that cool? See? Wow. That is awesome. I love them.
I love them.
These are so funky. Whoever invented this deserves a raise. That's awesome. See, let's try the blue ones now. So we got yellow. Ooh, that is cool. So you could change them based on your outfit, you could change them based on your mood. Let's see. Now the black ones, I think these are gonna be my favorite. I like how they just snap on there. Snap on. Look at that. That is so cool. I love them. And they come in this super cute little package, and they come with the cleaning cloth and your own little glasses bag. And all of the items in this box are from women-owned brands, so that's really cool. So these shades are from Lumiere. They're glasses plus 3 lenses. So the glasses and the 3 lenses.
Duh.
These glasses are from Robbie Jan, who started Lumiere label as an innovative optical brand on a mission to redefine eyewear. Well, you definitely redefined it. It says Lumiere label unisex glasses are wearable 4-ways equipped with blue light frames and interchangeable lenses that are polarized, UV 400 protected, and slim and lightweight. They are definitely slim, very lightweight, super freaking cute. I think these are my new favorite shades. Thanks, Lumiere. All right, let's look at the next thing. The next is Resilient Skin Booster and Collagen Skin Barrier Booster. So it's these little packages of collagen, I believe, and I've been hearing a lot about collagen lately, so I'll definitely have to try these out. This is what the little packages look like, and these are by Ava Resilient Skin Booster Prebiotic and Berry Superfood Powder. And this other one is a by Ava Collagen Skin Barrier Booster. So it's collagen supplements. It says Ava Lee started by Ava out of a need to share her mom's antioxidant-rich, holistic recipes with her audience. That's cool. The Resilient Skin Booster is a daily antioxidant booster that helps unlock resilient, glowing skin while protecting your gut lining. The Collagen Skin Barrier Booster is enriched with French marine collagen, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid to safeguard your skin barrier. I'll definitely have to try these out. I have been looking for collagen supplements so that I can help my system. I am 29 years old, so I'm at that age where I have to start thinking about collagen and helping my face and my body produce more helpful things. I don't know.
I know it needs something desperately, but I can't figure it out.
Where'd you go? All right, moving on. The next thing is this roll-on serum. It's called the Depuffer by Dr. Idris, and it is a collection of fact-based, science-backed skincare solutions by Dr. Shireen Idris. The Depuffer is a deflushing, depuffing serum clinically proven to relieve transient skin redness and minimize under-eye puffiness. Supercharged with high-performance actives like arnica to reduce the look of swelling and centella asiatica to relieve visible facial redness. I definitely need this, especially for under eye. Lately I've been waking up with very big eye bags and I don't know what to do.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
So I will have to give this a try. Oh wow. So it comes with its own little roller. Look at that. That is super cool. So you would just, I guess, like roll it onto your skin like that. I love products like this that already come with the tools that are necessary to make them easier to use and for your body to absorb them. I just want to see how it works. Oh wow, okay. So you just have to squeeze and then roll it on. And that is very cool. It feels very nice on my skin right here. And just rub it. And it smells very clean. It smells really good. It doesn't smell too much, but you can smell a little bit of freshness, a little bit of just like a soft, light fragrance. I am definitely gonna try this tonight. Maybe I'll make a video about it to show you guys, but I'm really excited to use this product. All right, next is this big bottle. It is the Whipped Curl Cream. Oh. It is a whipped curl cream, moisturizing curl definer by Lovely Bees. This is really cool. I've been looking for something like this. Oh wow. That smells really good. So my hair is straightened right now, but it's actually very, very curly when I come out of the shower, and it's always been naturally curly. I'll definitely have to give this a try. My whole life I've struggled with finding products that are good for curly hair and that will help with frizz and will help with detangling. And maybe I'll make a video showing how this works. It smells so good. I kind of want to taste it. No, stop. Well, that is it. I wish there was more, but there isn't. That was a really good haul. I kind of like this little paper. Anyway, that was so cool. I love getting boxes from YouTube. They're always full of surprises, and I love learning about women-owned brands. All of the products will be linked to this video, so if you liked anything, make sure you check it out. Help a sister out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.